So hello guys, I just want to go over two trades idea. The first trade is BTCUSD. We want to start from the daily time frame, and the first thing you see here on the daily time frame is that we had this break of structure here. This is a daily break of structure, and then we have our swing low and our swing high. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'll draw out my fibs from low to high, and I'm looking for POI below this 50%. So one of the POI that stood out for me was this fair value gap, despite that the fact that price traded through this fair value gap. So we have this fair value gap, we also have this other block that is here. So now we'll go straight to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, notice something here is that this daily leg is the same thing as a 4 hour leg, right? So here we had a 4 hour run on sell side, right? And we saw this break. Internal before price broke, price created an internal structure. So this internal structure is now my inducement liquidity. This is somewhere around here. This is now my inducement liquidity for my QMRO buy here. So this is a QMRO type 2 buy setup. So I took this trade initially. I was aiming for a 1 to 2 rigs to reward, and then I closed somewhere around here. I don't know why I closed. I just closed it, but physical price is moving. Then I took another buy opportunity yesterday. So as soon as price tapped into this our point of interest, we have a change in the state of delivery. We had a change in the state of delivery here. So as soon as I saw this change in the state of delivery, we saw this bullish fair value gap. So I entered this trade for a 1 to 1 risk to reward. My stop loss went straight to this low, and I'm aiming for a 1 to 1. So I have another idea in mind that once price hits my TP, I will look to buy again from this bullish order block here. Where this low here becomes my structural liquidity. So where this low becomes my structural liquidity, and I will also aim for, depending, I might aim for a 1 to 1. And trade on my list is NZDCHF. So when you look at NZDCHF, we notice that we had a major break of structure here. So this is a major boss, a major break here. And when price created this high, then this low, we now had an internal boss. This is an internal break of structure here. What happened was I noticed that we have a bullish daily KM arrow. The price is reacting from. So this is the inducement into this daily bullish KM arrow that caused this price to break structure to the upside. So I went to the H4 time frame. So on the H4, we will see a type of pyramiding QM arrow. So the first, as soon as price tapped into this level, the first bullish QM arrow was here, right? Then price bought straight. So as soon as I saw this, I had enough confidence to go for longs around here because we had a sweep, we had a sweep, we had a inducement liquidity, we had an inducement liquidity, and I entered this setup for initially for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. My stop loss was 5 pips below this low. So this is 14 pips. So this was a 19 pip stop loss. And I aimed for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. So when price came to this level, I moved my stops to break even. Then price came and stopped me out at break even on this trade.